everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am beyond excited to show you the beautiful low maintenance wig I got off Amazon. So I was looking to buy a coily wig and I turned to YouTube where all the hair reviews go down. This particular hair company, Jessica Hair on Amazon, kept popping up, and I signed out to join the bandwagon to see what the fuss is all about. So here I am to show you my very first wig purchase from Amazon. It comes in this black box with the logo on it, and it contains the following: a wig cap, a band to secure the wig, pulses as a freebie, and the hair itself, which is a coily Brazilian 14 inches lace front wig. It is a glueless cap with the combs in it. It has a lot of parting space, 6 inches deep to be precise, with adjustable straps at the back. I start off by co-washing the hair using some Aussie moist conditioner and deadman brush to ensure that the curls remain popping. I proceed to style the hair on a canvas block while it is still wet. The most beautiful thing about this unit is the pre-plucked hairline, which means I literally don't have to do anything at all if I choose not to. This is me applying a generous amount of my foaming wrap mousse all over the hair and brushing it out with the ever reliable Deman brush. And to ensure that the edges on this unit are laid to the gods, I go ahead and apply more foaming mousse to the hairline and lay them down to sleep. You can see me securing some of the hair in front with a clip, and this is to ensure the hair fall in a bang-like manner when dry. This is what the hair looks like when wet, so you can imagine how bomb it would look like when dry. And voila! Check out how dope this unit is all completely dry. But I am not done yet. I continue to style this hair by cutting off the extra lace, working my way around the baby hair. The moment of truth is here when I get to actually wear the wig, and I am sure that you can all agree with me that a 150 density hair has never looked this beautiful before. See how thick, full and voluminous this hair looks. The best part about this unit is that it is very low maintenance. Finally, I apply a bit of concealer along the pattern to make it more defined. Now that my wig is laid and slayed, I am happy that I joined the bandwagon of Jessica Hair on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please be sure to leave me a comment below, like this video, but most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the more we are here, the merrier. And until my next video guys, stay blessed. Cheers.